Welcome everyone and congratulations to you for taking the first step of making fundamental changes in the brewing industry. In this video, I will show you how you can complete the CCBA diversity survey. First of all, I want all of you to know that the survey is conducted by Jalapeno Employee Engagement. Jalapeno is an independent and impartial party and will never disclose identifiable individual responses to any individuals or entities. Your individual responses will remain confidential and will be only shown in an aggregated format. To protect your data, all data is stored in a password-protected electronic format. You can feel secure because Jalapeno is using a strong security system to ensure that your data is stored securely in our database in Canada. To learn more about all the securities we're using to protect your personal information as well as your data, you can visit our website, and by scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you have access to our security and privacy page. In order to participate in this survey, you need to take 4 steps. If you are the main contact of your company, you need to find the Jalapeno email in your inbox, and then you need to share the sign-up link with your team members, and then complete the registration and take the survey. I will walk you through the details of each step. The email you receive will come from the domain at jalapeno.app. So please make sure the email ccba@jalapeno.app does not go to your junk. If you're not sure how to do that, you can Google how to ensure the email does not go to spam in Gmail, Outlook, or any other platform. It shows you the steps how you can filter ccba@jalapeno.app in your inbox. Or if you did not receive the email, please make sure you check your spam folder. The email will have the subject line of important CCBA diversity survey link, and it will have the registration link here. So please do not share the survey link with anyone outside of your company. The survey link has been created specifically for your company, and it has to be only shared with your employees at your company. Also in this survey, you will find an email template that you can use to send out the sign-up link to your team members. We encourage you to use the template to ensure you are communicating all the right information about the survey to your staff. Once you receive the email, you click on the sign-up link and it will take you to the registration form. You should be able to see your company logo on top. And if the logo is not your company logo, please contact ccba@jalapeno.app and let them know you need your company link, not anyone else. And the reason we are asking you to create an account, 1, to ensure your data is password protected format on front end as well as back end. 2, to ensure you'll be able to log in and see the data and track progress over time. Now I'm gonna log in as a test to show you how would that look like. You will see the bar to take the survey. As I mentioned, your data will be confidential and will be only shared in an aggregated format. If by any chance the report violates anonymity, the software locks the report to ensure it's not presenting any report that may violate anonymity. And you can simply click on Take the Survey. And if French is the language that you're more comfortable with, you can simply click here, change the language to French, and take the survey in French. Thank you.